Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. Okay, let's get started. At first, open the TikTok app on your device. Click on Profile. Now click on three-dot line. Click on Settings. Scroll down and click on Display. Now turn on dark mode. Okay, done. By following this process, you can easily enable dark mode on TikTok. Thanks for watching and stay connected.